So hello guys, today I am making a video of how to make a Aternos server easily and a faster way. Click on Google and search Aternos. Click on Aternos and on the top click it and you see the play button. Click on it and you see create button. Create it and you see that's two option. What is your my mind cap? If you playing in Java edition, click on Java. If you playing Java and PE, click on Bedrock edition. I am playing in Bedrock edition, so I will in this option customize yourself and click on create. Here create. And this is your server, and there is four important things in the server. So click on it, three option, and click on software, and you and the packer bucket option clicking, and the top version click on it, and this again उसमें click कर दीजिए, and the plugin option is new. Click on it, search via. In second you see via version, download the first version, download the top version, and again search via. On third you see via rewind, again download the top version, again search via. At last you see two via version, two via backward. Second, download it and search Geyser MC. It helps Java edition to play on your Bedrock edition server. Download it. And again click on three option, and click on three option, and click on option of